Hey everyone, I haven't posted on here in a while, but I just discovered this little trick. If you own the Dimplex Smart Baseboards, the LPC Series, if you don't use them for a long period of time and use them like as a backup in your house, you'll find that the LEDs will go out on you. Anyways, it happened to me, and I kind of thought that they were defective or had to send them back or see if I could get warranty out of them. Anyways, I looked online, couldn't really find any fixes for it, so I thought, well, maybe I'll take it apart and see if I can find out what's wrong. So anyways, I'll show you a little trick, and hopefully it'll work for you and save you some money. It's a shame they're a nice unit. They're Wi-Fi controlled, so you can set your zones and everything. So anyways, I'll show you how I took mine apart. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a Robertson bit, number 2, probably like a flat blade screwdriver or a jackknife, which I have in my pocket. And the first thing you're going to do is there's a screw down here. You're going to want to take that off and remove the cover. And then you're going to notice this little connector here, and just be careful. You can disconnect your power. It's highly advisable you do that before you do this. I did it with the power on. I just very carefully. All you're going to do is you're going to unplug that, and then you're going to plug it back in, and you'll see it light up. I, of course, have already done this. This has already been 24 hours with me doing these to probably 10 heaters, and yeah, it's working. So I just kind of back that out and plug it back in, and I think it just cycles the power to the display board. There, so we've taken that off. That's your power, and just snap it back in. You'll see it light up. And it'll actually resume the settings that you had prior. So that's handy as well, so then you don't have to reprogram your controller, which is a bit time consuming. So you just pretty well plug that back in and put the cover back on. Do that to all your heaters. And it just saved a lot of money in thinking you had to replace them, because that's what I thought I was going to have to do. Anyways, cheers.